Concern about COVID variants, more contagious and deadlier than the original virus. 9 cases in Cowlitz County in Washington, and at least a dozen cases so far here in Oregon.
Add to this, we're also now hearing about what's called breakthrough cases, and that's when people get COVID even after they've been fully vaccinated. So all of this is something Lisa Balick is looking into. Lisa joins us live now with those details.
Yeah, keep in mind, thousands of people are now breathing a sigh of relief that they are fully vaccinated. But this news that we're hearing about these breakthrough cases, getting COVID even after you're fully vaccinated, is a scary proposition, and it means you need to protect yourself in some other ways as well.
Among the 15 cases in Clark County, 8 of them have had symptoms, 3 have been hospitalized, and we've had no deaths.
Troubling news that some Clark County residents are among more than 100 people in Washington fully vaccinated who still ended up with a COVID virus more than 2 weeks after their last shot. They're called breakthrough cases. There are 2 also in Cowlitz County, where there are 9 people connected to a COVID variant strain. It's time for people who are fully vaccinated to be aware of what's going on.
So if you've been a close contact to a case, you're fully vaccinated, and you develop symptoms, we sure would want you to get tested. Precisely for what I mentioned earlier, we're concerned that those folks, if they are infected, might have a variant. And look, Lisa, we want to identify any variants that are in the community.
The vaccines are highly effective, but none 100%. Test samples from breakthrough cases are sent to labs. Investigators also look at whether there was an issue with storage, transportation, or lot number of the vaccine. So far, they have not found a link to a certain brand of vaccine. And those getting COVID after their shots range in age from their 20s to their 80s. Again, the numbers of breakthrough cases are relatively small. 100 cases out of more than 1 million people fully vaccinated in Washington. In Clark County, some 60,000 are fully vaccinated, so the 15 breakthrough cases are less than 1%. Now, I had reached out this afternoon to the Oregon Health Authority to find out what's their total of breakthrough cases here in Oregon. They responded back saying they won't say. I responded to them saying, why not? And the latest is, it says to, quote, balance privacy concerns while protecting the integrity of public health surveillance. But again, Washington is putting out these numbers, very important numbers. We will be pressing for those numbers here in Oregon. Back to you.
All right, Lisa.